Hi guys, and welcome back to another video and a small visual mod which I think makes a very big difference. You would have seen the trend from BMW having yellow DRLs on the M5 CS and more recently the M4 CSL. Well, now there's a product where we can have a very similar look. It's made by a company called Motorsport Plus and it's a replacement board for the running lights. So we're going to fit a set of these to our M5. We already have a set fitted to our M4. And the product is also available for the F8x M3, M4 and F8x M3. But I haven't seen them on a pre-LCI M5. So I'm going to give these to Aston. He's going to fit them and we can take a look. So there we have it, the yellow DRLs fitted to our G82 and our F90 M5. A bit more labour intensive on this car because we had to take the bumper off and the headlights out. A lot easier to fit on the G82. So that is a relatively inexpensive modification which really changes the look of the car. We do have both of these products in stock now. We'll put a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please remember to smash that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you want to join the conversation, please drop a comment below and we'll try our best to respond to you. If you want to watch more of this project, you can do so over here. If you want to watch what YouTube thinks you might like from our other content, you can do so over here.